Unit conversion. Convert 1.76 yards to centimeters. We are given the information that we have 1.76 yards. And we want to find what this is in centimeters. So we want to create a conceptual plan or a flowchart for solving this problem. Now, the first thing we're going to do is convert from the English system, yards, to the metric system, meters. And then we will go from meters to centimeters, working within the metric system. Now, each of these conversions is going to involve a relationship or conversion factor, and I'll call these A and B. Let's list the relationships. Sometimes relationships are given within the problem. Other times, you're expected to know when to look these up in your textbook. So, relationship A is needed to allow us to go from yards to meters, and we find in the textbook that there's 1.094 yard in 1 meter. So a meter is slightly larger than a yard. Relationship B, working within the metric system, is that we have 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So now we're ready to solve the problem. Starting with the 1.76 yard, we want to convert this to meters. So we will put the meters in the numerator, put the yards in the denominator, and then put in the conversion factor, 1.094. Yards cancel, and we have meters. In the second step, we want to convert meters to centimeters. and we employ the conversion factor that there are 100 centimeters in a meter. So the meters cancel. We're left with centimeters as our unit, which is what we're trying to find. And so our answer, according to our calculator, is 160.8775 centimeters. However, we know that we can't have this number of significant digits in our answer, because in our first entry we have 3 significant digits, and the other 2 factors are defined, so they don't limit us. So we are limited to 3 significant figures in our answer. That would be 1, 2, 3. So we're going to round our answer here, which gives us a final answer of 161 centimeters. Now, we always want to check our answer and make sure that it makes sense. A centimeter is a relatively small unit compared to a yard. So we would expect in over a yard that we should have a good number of centimeters, and indeed we do. So the answer makes sense.